Now I'm going to give you some tips on hair care. Let's start with the first thing which you have to always do is wash your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. For dry hair you can wash twice, but for oily at least alternate days. Usually people say with wash you have hair loss, but it's not true. The more you keep your hair clean, the hair will be more healthy. So hair wash is the first step you have to always keep in mind. Have to do twice a week or alternate days. After that is oiling. You have to oil your hair twice a week. For dry hair thrice a week, and for oily only once. You can prepare hair oils on your own by using home ingredients and herbs. Aloe vera hair oil is very good for hair growth. You can make this aloe vera oil by taking 1 liter of coconut oil, 2-3 leaves of cactus, that is aloe vera, and fenugreek seeds. You have to cut the aloe vera from the middle and put 100 grams of fenugreek seeds into the leaf, wrap it into a wet cloth and keep it for 2-3 days. The fenugreek seeds will sprout. After 2-3 days you have to remove the gel from the aloe vera leaf, put it into a 1 liter coconut oil, boil it till it turns into brown. After that you have to cool it and put it in the bottle and use whenever you need. The second hair oil which I am going to tell you is hibiscus hair oil. Take 1 liter coconut oil and 20 red hibiscus flowers, put it into the coconut oil, keep it for 2 days into a tight container, closed container. After 2 days you are supposed to boil it into a low flame for at least 15 minutes. This hair oil also helps for hair loss, for dandruff, and even for frizziness. For very dry hair this oil really works well. Third hair oil which I am going to tell you is henna hair oil. Take 1 liter of coconut oil and put 2 handfuls of henna leaves in it. Boil it for 20 to 30 minutes, and after it is cool, drain it and put it into a bottle, and you can use it whenever you have dandruff, and if you want to color your hair into reddish burgundy color. You have to apply this oil every alternate days, especially for hair color which will not be visible but only will shine under the sun. It's very good even for hair loss. The fourth hair oil which I am going to tell you is curry leaf hair oil. This hair oil is really wonderful hair oil. You have to prepare this by putting 3 handfuls of curry leaves into 1 liter coconut oil. This really helps you in hair loss. Hair loss stops in just 1 week. You have to apply this hair oil every alternate days if you have the hair loss is major. For minor hair loss you can use twice a week. To treat your hair, even you can use curd, which will be very useful for dandruff and which will give shine to your hair and softening. For hair loss, you can do hair fall spa, that is 20 minutes massage with hair oil, then steam for 10 minutes, then hair mask. After hair mask, shampooing the hair and conditioning. This helps to stop hair loss. After this, you can treat your hair by doing spa, that is for dry hair and frizzy hair. There is spa, you can do spa for dry and frizzy hair. For oily, you can go for a dandruff spa, and for chemically treated also you can do, that is chocolate spa and spa for chemically treated hair. After coloring Greta's hair, we did a chocolate spa. Let me tell you about this spa. It's a wonderful spa for chemically treated hair. You can use this spa once a week. It is a wonderful spa to keep your color for it's a long stay color spa, and it's for frizzy hair also, and it also gives you shine on the hair. First is shampoo, chocolate shampoo. After shampoo, we have to use a conditioner. After conditioning the hair, we have to take different strands, apply spa cream, keep for 10 minutes and give steam for more than 15 minutes. After giving steam, there is a wash only with plain water, and after drying the hair, no towel, no blow dry, but just towel dry and apply mousse. We have finished the hair streaks and chocolate spa. Please take care of your hair.
And as Reshma has already said, she has given me chocolate spa and my hair is already feeling very soft. Please take care of your hair, and if there are any queries or suggestions regarding the hair, please write into me at features@prudentmedia.in. Till then, take care and keep watching Fashionista.